You'll defend a slightly wobbly bookshelf you built yourself over a flawless one from a store, and you'll happily pay more for it. There's a name for this glitch in your brain, and billion-dollar companies are quietly built on it. By the end of this, you'll know why sweating over flat-pack furniture makes you love it. And stay to the end, because the exact same trick is being used on you far beyond furniture. You've been doing unpaid work for years and thanking them for it. Think of something you built, a flat-pack desk, a model, a home-cooked meal. You're oddly proud of it, even the flaws. Now picture a perfect, store-bought version of the same thing. It leaves you cold. Same object, opposite feeling. And researchers put a hard number on that feeling. People will pay about 63% more for furniture they assembled themselves than for the identical piece bought pre-built. Why does sweating over something make it worth more to you, even when it's objectively worse? In 2011, Harvard's Michael Norton, with Daniel Mochon and Dan Ariely, gave it a name, the IKEA effect. They ran 3 tests: IKEA boxes, origami, and Lego. The origami test is the giveaway. People folded clumsy paper frogs and cranes, then were asked what they'd pay for them. They valued their own lopsided creations about 5 times higher than strangers did, nearly as much as ones folded by experts. The reason is called effort justification. Your brain refuses to accept that your effort was wasted, so it inflates the value of whatever you made. Labor literally leads to love, but there's a catch, and the catch is the whole trick. The effect has one iron rule: you have to succeed. When people built something and then took it apart or failed to finish it, the love vanished completely. Effort only becomes value if you cross the finish line. And this is old magic. In the 1950s, instant cake mixes flopped. Too easy felt like cheating. The story goes that the fix was to make the baker add a fresh egg. That one small act of real effort, and sales took off. People weren't buying cake, they were buying pride. Which raises a very uncomfortable question. If a company can make you love a product simply by making you work for it, who's really working for whom? Look at what you actually do now. You assemble your own furniture. You scan and bag your own groceries. You pump your own gas, book your own flights, fix your own gadgets through a help forum. Work that companies used to pay employees to do, you now do for free. That's the IKEA effect weaponized. They didn't just push the labor onto you to cut costs. They discovered that doing the work makes you love the product more and blame yourself when it goes wrong. You pay them, you do their labor, and your own brain hands you a reward for it. It's the only unpaid job on earth that people leave 5-star reviews about. So the wobbly shelf was never really the point. The point is you were taught to feel proud of doing someone else's work and to pay for the privilege of doing it. Now, to be fair, this isn't only manipulation, and it isn't only bad for you. The pride is real. Building things genuinely makes us happier and more attached to them. Flat-pack furniture is cheaper, ships flat, and wastes less precisely because you finish it. The IKEA effect is a real human feature. We value whatever we pour ourselves into, from gardens to businesses to relationships. The danger is only when someone else engineers your effort to pull out your money and your labor at the very same time. So, effort inflates value, about 63% for furniture, 5 times for origami. It's real, it's named, it's the IKEA effect. And it's why you now do so much of a company's work for them and feel good about it. The next time you stand back, proud of a flat-pack victory, enjoy it. Just notice who quietly saved the cost of the labor. Send this to whoever's proudest of their furniture building skills, gently humble them. And subscribe, because next, why isn't the money in your bank account actually there? Your balance is a number the bank is quietly praying you never all ask for at once.